Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to change content on TikTok feed. You may have the kind of content on your TikTok feed which is not relevant to you. So there are a couple of things you can do to change that. The first thing you can do is that if you see a video you are not interested in and you will not like to see anything like that anymore, you need to click this arrow on the right side of the screen and you can see this not interested icon here. And if you click this icon, basically what's TikTok gonna do, TikTok is gonna try to not show you content like this anymore. So we're gonna just click this not interested if you are not interested in this kind of content, and you can do this with any videos. The second thing you can do is to click your profile on the bottom right, click the three lines on the top right, click settings and privacy, and just scroll down to free up space. It's calculating the cache and you just need to clear the cache. We're gonna click clear and clear again. The third thing you need to do is you need to clear your view history. Basically, how you can do that is to tap the three lines on the top right corner, tap settings and privacy, go down to activity center, and here you need to tap the watch history, and you can basically filter by date. If you know that you watched a lot of videos like yesterday or last week that you were not interested in, but if you want all of them, then you need to click all dates. You need to click select on the top right corner, and you can either select the videos one by one, or in the bottom left corner you can see this select all watch history and just delete the whole thing. Another thing you can do is to go to your home by clicking this home icon on the bottom left corner, click the search bar and search for the kind of things you would like to see on your feed. So for example, if I want to see dog videos, I'm gonna type dog funny and I just interact with those videos. So I just like them, watch them because the watch time also counts. Maybe comment on some of the videos, save them. You can also share them with people. So you just need to interact more with those videos because the learning system of the algorithm is working on a way that if you interact more with those videos you would like to see, it's gonna show you more of those videos. Alright, so all in all, this is how to change content on TikTok feed. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.